Hi friends, welcome to our channel Evergreen.Opportunities. For a manufacturing company, we are looking for it's for a Sholing Nallur, looking for a production supervisor. Qualification, educational qualification on the diploma in mechanical engineering, experience 5 to 8 years experience, skills handling on the robotic machines. And portion number 2 on the Senior Engineer Maintenance. This is also graduate or diploma in electrical and electronic engineer, experience 8 to 12 years, experience in furnace and gravity die casting electrical maintenance. The portion 3rd is engineering marketing, graduates in mechanical or automobile, 1 to 2 years of experience in automobile industries, good English, good communication skills to deal international customers. And the next one is 3D modeling, AutoCAD Designer, Opport location, BE Mechanical, 3 to 4 years experience, having a strong experience in 3D modeling and make stimulations, a good in experience of AutoCAD, solid, tryout, immediate joiners prefer. And salary, இப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்களோ அதுலேருந்து உங்களுக்கு hike and immediate joiners we need. And the next one is recruiter. It's an executive, senior executive or an executive. And this is for a Nungambakam location. Experience in hiring a bulk number of blue collars and also field sourcing, 6 months to 2 years experience. Salary as per the industrials. So you will get a hike and notice period immediate join panano any genders. And the next portion is pharmaceutical. It is an injectable plant. QA executive, documentation experience required 2 to 3 years. Total number of vacancy 3. And Vial filling machine operator, experience 1 to 5 years, total number vacancy 5. And IT engineers, experience 0 to 5 freshers to 5 years experience, total number of vacancy 1. And HR recruiter, again it is a fresher to 1 year, now 1 vacancies. And mechanical engineer, diploma mechanical, experience 1 to 3 years experience, again 1. இது any BSc or MSc pharma background, diploma in mechanical, so these candidates can be available. Freshers illa 1 or 2 experience, 3 months 6 months experience kuda okay. And salary as per the industrial norm. Location Ozur. We are hiring for a staff nurse for a Karnataka state, BSc or a GNM. Freshers to 4 years experience, any gender. Salary as per the norm. And trainee production for a plastic injection molding, 3 numbers. Experience, again it is fresher to 1 year, any technical in plastic or SIPIT, Chennai location, 2 years, 2 lakh salary. Again the Supreme Industries Limited 10th 12th ITI diploma or any arts background 50 numbers they are hiring. And age group 18 to 30, rotational shift 8 hours. And salary as per the norm da. And the next portion is immediate requirements for the following portions: refrigerator technicians, ITI or a diploma, AC and diploma, 3 to 7 years experience. Salary it's based on your current CTC. And location E Road. Next one is mechanical designing engineer with AutoCAD course, 2 numbers. Salary, again it is as per the industrial norm, Bangalore location. And the next one is furniture manufacturer, retail operations, HR manager based in Bangalore. Salary 8 to 9 lakhs plus variable pays. And we are looking for a fabric designer females with a minimum of 3 years experience, should have a fashion or textile designs background, good knowledge in fabric sourcing. And the next one is logistic. This is for an opening at a driver logistics coaching, looking for an immediate joiners, general shift, MBA HR male or female candidate. So again it is fresher to 6 months of experience, management trainee அது பண்ணுவாங்க. And job description is managing end-to-end recruitment from sourcing of candidates to release of offer letters and HR policies, various conducting various games and celebrations. See இதெல்லாம் ஒரு general activities, conducting employee orientations, and regular updating a master database, personal profiles, resolvings, and grievance. General, it's in a general HR. And so good communication, oral and written. Looking smart, experienced candidate of HR recruitment. நீங்கள் any consulting work பண்ணாலும் okay தான். Able to close the position on time. So that is the main criteria. And next one is immediate hiring a mission operator assembly. This is for Mahindra World City, Magno Automotive kadam, and diploma in EEE mechanical or automobile. Again batch வந்து 2018, 19 and 20. Age வந்து 18 to 24. Freshers to 1 or 2 years experience is okay. Chennai location. And the salary is 1,200, 300 numbers. This is a 300 numbers, 1,200 salary. Sorry, 12,000 plus OT plus PF and ESI and the shift based food available. Interview on the direct away in a company. So that's the best because it is in a March number, 300 numbers. They regularly they are recruiting the people. Financial executive positions. So it's for a male candidate, BCom or MCom or MBA, 5 to 10 years of experience, gross salary 25k, Vallam, knowledge in accounting, bills payable, receivable, GST, tally, good communication skills. So again it is an immediate joiner, so within 30 days la salary as per the industrial. Sorry, they have given 25,000, but it is negotiable. It will be discussed on time of interview. Dying shift in charge, soft flow candidates with experience of 8 to 10 years in the same field. And the lab shift in charge, it is also 5 to 6 years of experience related field to handle the shifts. And next one is dyeing MC operator, both experience or freshers. And the fitter one, the diploma in mechanical, both freshers or experience. And இதுக்கெல்லாம் salary வந்து it is as per the industrial norm. And position is executive logistics, any degree, 3 to 6 years experience, dairy farm or an FMCG industries experience is mandatory. Again this is for Erode location and male candidate preferred. Post your CV through our job portal Vial Asia. First time பண்றவங்க வந்து sign up பண்ணுங்க. Sign up click பண்ணோன்னே you will get this web page. Register as a candidate or register as employee. You should have to register as a candidate for the job seekers. And once you have clicked this, you will get this form. It is in a registrations form. Create an account through our job portal Vial Asia. Once you have created, sign out and then log in to our job seeker login. Once sign up பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் log out பண்ணிட்டு again job seeker login வழியா போயிட்டு use your username and password and then post your CV. Like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.